All of this is going to be in the video.
What are you doing with your rugs?
Rugs.
I'm going to say leave them in there.
No.
To the side.
Shove them to the side. Yes.
Sound.
That is acceptable. This is going to be a part of this car at some point.
I'll start it up first. Are those different keys as well?
Yeah. Right, boy. You ready?
Yeah.
Ish. It's a hovercraft. What do you want? Hovercraft.
That way. Oh.
On go. Right, let's go.
Have you done this before?
No. It's not left. I mean, I put it on the thing. That's what it was. I've never done it before. It's the first time the car is going to leave here since I took it apart.
I was going to get this thing here then. If I go over like that, don't you? Go in.
Oh, my standing noise. My stand. So loud. Leave it. Yeah.
Sup, Mega Swag Lord. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to get over there. What do we do? Hello gamers. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The camera is very warm. Yeah. Here we have the wild Adam in his natural habitat.
Right.
Look how he does his garage. What an absolute unit. Wow.
Ow.
Look how tidy is his garage. Fucking unit. Right, we supposed in here now. Do you want to hand put this back in because
Yes.
Mother Warren is asking for tea.
Go on. It's not a wheelie.
A little bit more.
There's so much room in there. You can actually go. I mean, you just mounted the fucking the wall.
Yeah, that's fine. It's tidy. It's in. Just cleaned. Bro, that's perfect. Yeah, look at that. Look at that
Oh, that's amazing. Look at this. Perfect. Marvelous, amazing. Lovely. Bye-bye. Hello people. I'm back, you see. Finally had a chance to make a video for you. And because it's been very long time ago, I bought my 242, which is here. Look, it's still there. Maybe tell you something more about the plans and the current state of the car, because it's not fully stripped yet, as you can see, but it's nearly done. Just the doors and the wings to come out, and these windows, which you might have seen already. But now I'm going to show you more about the rest situation, which is very interesting, because as you can see, there is some holes. There, here, there. Nothing to worry about. The butt cheeks are going anyway, but you know, there as well. But bottom side of it is not that bad. It's only the sills and some places in the footwell that is in need of very big. Hey, hello, you can see me. same thing there. The other side. Yeah. Wow. Boom. This side's not that bad, but the biggest issues are here, as you can see. It's all rotten away, and so far the biggest thing that I'm scared of is this. Because I'm in no way, in any way I can replicate anything like that. But I went to a fellow Volvo enthusiast called Anthony Steele, and I got this piece. So out of this I'm thinking of kind of replicating the one I have. So it's gonna be interesting. But you know, at least I have somewhere to work with. But it's like even this is very bad. But that's the common known bad place on the Volvos. Apart from that, the top of it is not that bad. It's just like the sills are, and the that is very shoddy. You can see my foot. But it could be a lot worse though. Another big issue I have is there, and where the battery used to live, because this is all completely shot. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of cutting and welding happening here. Underneath here, it's really bad. So this is probably going to have to go. I'm going to have to replace it with something, because I'm not going to be able to fix this. So I'm just probably zip something like that and just weld some new stuff in. This is going to be gone because I'm making it out of tube, so the whole front end is going to be made out of tube, so I can fit an intercooler and everything in there. And the biggest part is the back side of the car, because the rear suspension is going to be out of a Nissan 350Z. That's my plan for it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think of how to implement that into this car. But you know, it's probably going to be a very interesting little project. Well, it is an interesting project already. But for that, I'm gonna have to put the car on the side, on its side, so I can actually cut everything apart and weld it up. And also I'm gonna be using this block, which is the latest red block 2.3 FK engine with the 16 valve cylinder head, with quite a bit of improvement in the flow, and a huge turbo, which I still haven't got. I've got those two, but tiny. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna have some more time to give you some more updates on this car, because my XC70 is running really good now. I've already done around 7,000 miles in it since I rebuilt it, and yeah, it's going well. And the 242 shall be cut in pieces and welded together. So thank you, and I shall see you later.